Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghuveer. In this class, we will discuss about regular expressions. Here in this class, you will get an intuition about why we need regular expressions. In our coming classes, we will discuss step by step how to write regular expressions, how to use those regular expressions. All those things will be discussed in our coming classes. In our last class, we discussed about language. So the point of language, the understanding of language, what's the definition of language, how we write the language, that point is very important to understand this class. Please watch our previous class and come back here. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to today's class, first we will just refresh the concept of language which we discussed in our previous class. Then we continue with our concept called regular expressions. Coming to the concept language, in our last class we discussed that a language is a set of strings over an alphabet. Let's assume that our alphabet is 0 1, so it's the set of strings that we call it as a language. Let's take an example. L is equal to set of strings containing last two characters 1. So over an alphabet, sigma is equal to 0, 1. This language, the strings that belongs to this language are given like this: 1 1, 0 1 1, 0 0 1 1, 1 1 1, so on. So set of strings that belongs to this language are, so 1 1, these are the strings, some of the strings. Now in our last class we discussed that DFA, we are using DFA to represent a language. It is given as L of M, language of a machine. We constructed a finite automata machine. This finite automata machine will accept strings that belongs to this language. So if you take any string from this language, if you apply it on this finite automata, this will accepted. The strings are getting accepted. If you take any string out of this language, the strings are not accepted on this DFA. Means one of the way, this is the graphical way to represent the language. Finite automata machines are the graphical way to represent the languages. This is the point you have to understand. Up to here we discussed in our last class. Coming to today's class, what are regular expressions? Finite automata machines are one of the way to represent the languages. Regular expressions are the other way to represent language is using regular expressions. It is given as L of R, language of a regular expression is 0 plus 1 whole star 1 1. This is the regular expression. This is the mathematical way to represent the languages. This is the graphical way to represent the languages, and this is the mathematical way to represent the languages. Okay, how we write this? Why this regular expression is giving the strings that belongs to this language? These points you will get clarity when we discuss about the operators of the expressions, and with these concepts will be discussed in our coming classes. So you got an understanding, right? So the regular expressions are used to represent the language. It is one of the way to represent the language. That is the point you have to understand. How we write these expressions, you will get clarity in our coming classes. Hope you understand the concept of regular expressions. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.